Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-52, the Boiler Ashpan Damper Bracket for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, let's go. File, new, MMGS. So good news is, found that missing part, that 3-52, the Boiler Ashpan Dump Bracket. We found that one. It's actually in here. Actually found a piece I didn't know what was missing, which I haven't done yet. I think it's 354. I think it is. We'll come there. But I found those. I've worked out where it is, so it's perfect. So let's go to front sketch. We're going to go line there, go down, hit there, do a curve up, then that's going to be curve over. It's not quite that big, but we've got to do it that way. And let me just put that one and that one as center point. There we go. Beautiful. And that can... Oh, hold on. Let me delete some of them. There we go. That's better. Let's now put these. No, just those two, not the center point. Put them as horizontal. And let me just close that one off and put those two as horizontal. There we go. Now we want to go, where are you? So it's going to be 16 from there to there. Smart dimension. From there to there. Let's go do that again. Okay. I don't know why it does that. It's annoying. Everyone knows how I can move them out or hide them. Let's see, 16. And below is 6. So that's going to be raised to 3, which that'll be 6 across there. Now, that's what I can do. This point here and that point there can go, nope, that's not what I want. Oh man, delete that one for a moment. That point and that point can go there. There we go. That's better. And yeah, that point, you know, that's fine. We'll leave that as is. Okay, so, but this one here is a radius of, you know, I really need to have a point somewhere. Let me scale that, move that across, there we go. Me to that point, to this point. Man, still not again. Point. Nope. For some reason, really wants to pick up the stuff there. That point and that point will be. There we go. Now, if I. Can I hide that? Don't look like it. Dang it. Okay, let me do something. Let me go center line. There we go. That point and that point will be. Oh, it might be already done. Okay, don't worry about it. Let me just undo that last one. Okay, so now, what's the height of that? 32. So this point to that point. Oh, there it goes again. Oh man, this is so annoying. It picks up that. Oh, do I have that? I might have actually this time. Nope. Nope, it does not do it. Let me delete that one. There we go. there to there. Seriously. And that is, what was it to say, C2. There we go. That's locked in. Beautiful. Okay, that's there. Thank you. Okay, there's got to be fixed up. So it's got to be 6. So if I do that, still 3, but yeah, no. Let me put smart dimension. That point. Oh boy, here we go again. To that point. Nope, it will not let me. This is really frustrating. It will not let me pick these things. I'll find out I can hide them. From there to there will be 3. Now this point and this point, no, not point, sorry, this line and this line will be tangent. Now that should not be able to get moved. Beautiful. Now put these 2 back in line, horizontal. What can move? Oop, that can move weirdly. Okay, let's now do this one. This is a, what raise? It doesn't tell me what raise it is. Actually, that might be flat. Oh, that's flat. Looking at one of the drawings, it looks like it's got a slight curve to it. Let me delete that one. Yes. Oop. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to do construction line. Just keep it simple. There we go. Now, what do we need to lock this in place? Do that one and that line. Nope. It won't let me pick it. It's so damn annoying. Delete that one. These 2 here. Put there. Actually, I'll put these 3 there. There you go. That should lock that one in place. These 2 are going to be tangent. Yep. And that put that. Why did that put that weird? That one. Hold on. That one. Oh, number. Go away. Thank you. Want that one. That one and that one. Tangent. There we go. So what? Oh. Hold on. Let me delete that one. For some reason I put that. Yeah, because that point was going to be down here. That's right. So if I do this, you know what? I'm just going to get rid of this. I'm going to lose that measurement. That's fine. Smart dimension. And it's going to do that again, isn't it? Yep, it is. Let's go to center line. Center line seems to find that for some reason. Smart dimension. That one to that one will be C2. And that's locked all in place. There we go. Oh, what a kerfuffle. Okay, so now, can we get a circle in here? See that? They find this, is everything else doesn't seem to find it. And that's a diameter of 3. 3. That's a thickness of 2. So feature 2, mid-plane, and done. Excellent. Okay, now, got a piece that comes off here. That's going to come off this part here, but it's going to go there. It's going to go up and curve around. So, what plane do we want? Nope, that one. Right plane. And right plane. Okay, so now we've got dot, straight, puts curve there. Curve, nope, another curve. Just touch there, curves it. Nope, wrong way. Wrong way. Okay, let me do that again. No, not do it again. Let me start down here. Start there, up, there, curve. Nope, come on, curve, curve. There we go. And there. Okay, so let's make these two. I could have done offset too. It's real set. That's fine. Let's make them not equal. Coincident, so that way they're there. Beautiful. That looks good. Now we want that. It's going to be 2 mil. 2 mil. There we go. And that's going to be 12.2. That point to that point will be 12.2. Yep, 12.2. Okay, just found a weird number. Yeah, this one. What options do I have? Tangent? Nope, didn't think so. Yeah, I can't do 9 degrees because it won't let me, because that's a curve. How can you get percentage there? Actually, if I go, no, don't worry about that. Let's see now. So it's pretty much this one here. Which doesn't really give. So eventually when you bend, it's going to be there. So smart dimension, what would that show there? 11.5, what does that look like? There you go. So what's missing? Oh, curvature. I haven't done curvature. That's what I missed. This is 104. 4. Thank you. Wow, that's a lot less on there than here. Okay. You just delete that one. Come on, go back. Thank you. What's the distance from there to there? That'd be right. Oh, it's gonna be straight. Yeah, don't worry about it. Yeah, but let's just put these two. Yeah, there. Thank you. Put these two. Just put these two vertical. There we go. Keep it simple. Okay, so that's good. And that is in the middle? Yes, in the middle. So then with feature extrude, let's say what's 16? So it's going to be 8 one way, 8 the other, and done. Yep, that's good. Now we want front plane? Nope. Top plane. There we go. Normal 2. That works. Sketch. We want to put one hole in here. It's going to be in the center. It's going to be smart dimension of 4. And that's going to be from here to there. It's going to be 7. And it's going to be halfway. be, what's that, what's it again? 8. There we go. And that's going to go feature, through it all. Which way is that going? Wrong way. Back this way. Up to next, and done. There we go. That one done. Before we forget, let's do a fillet of 1. Actually, try 2. Actually, 2 looks better on that one. 2 there. And try a fillet of 1 on this side. There we go. There we go. Perfect. So we've got that there, hole there. Just right, shouldn't put a hole there because it's going to be a pin going through. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Probably use that when I separate this. I just got to take that out and got this done. Okay, so we want to do normal, zoom in, and sketch, and circle. Now we want that to be 4 mil out. So let's see now. Feature extrude 4. That way it's going to be 5. Because you've got thickness there. Thing goes through. Oh, right. 5. There we go. Oh, hold on. Ah, 6, sorry. No, that one's 3. That one's 3. Do that one 3. That one's 5. There you go. That's it. Sorry. My bad. Okay, that looks like done. So that's part 3-52. The Boiler Ashpan Damper Bracket done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.